viewers, welcome to the Winnie of Texas YouTube channel. I will be making some grilled chicken wings today, and I want you guys to come along with me as we begin grilling. Guys, here on this tray I have some fresh chicken wings that I'll be putting in this bowl to spice. So we're gonna begin. My hands are already washed, clean, and just pay close attention. As you can see, because I already left this in the fridge for all through the night, they drained out. You can see some drains in the tray. Yeah. So we'll put them in the bowl and then we'll begin spicing. I'm going to wash this one. Okay. So I'm going to get my spicy tree here. So we'll begin with the onion salt. Like 1 tablespoon, and then some cayenne pepper. I love pepper, guys, so I'm going to put a whole lot in here. And then I have some ginger. Ginger gives it that beautiful taste. Some thyme. I'm going to add some thyme to this. I love the aroma from thyme. Then I have some garlic salt. I'm going to be adding a little bit of this. Okay. I'm going to wash my hands to get I'm going to be adding some bouillon. All this Maggi for information. I'm going to be adding my Maggi. And then some salt to taste. So we're going to be adding a little bit. But do not forget I added some onion salt before and some garlic salt, so we already have some salt in here. Stir carefully because you do not want to make it scatter everywhere. Stir out everything. So it's properly stirred. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to cover this now and then put it back in the fridge for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll bring it out again. Okay. So put it in the fridge for just 10 minutes and then we'll bring it out again. The time is 6:44. For it to marinate, and then so that the ingredients that I added will go in properly. So while we are waiting for the 10 minutes, I'm going to get my tray ready for grilling. We're still going to use the same tray. Okay. So guys, it's 6:55. So that is 11 minutes. You have to bring out the chicken wings and then put them on the tray. The tray is ready, and then we begin grilling. As usual, my hands are clean. Let's not forget to spray the tray. Okay guys, so I'm going to spray my tray so it doesn't stick. Wash my hands again to make sure. Okay, at this point I'm going to be lining them up and then giving it some space, not too close. You have to arrange it this way. Don't worry guys, I'm not scared of pepper. So we are going to set the oven and get ready to begin grilling. I'm going to set the oven at 400 and I'll be putting timing it 1 hour, and then we're going to flip it after 30 minutes. So we choose the baking, put 400 and then put the timer. So we're going for 1 hour. Well, you know what I'm going to do? To remind me, I will do the first 30 minutes when I'll be flipping it. So I'm going to be putting 45 minutes because I should allow the oven to get ready before putting the chicken. So the first 15 minutes, after that is called preheating the oven, and then we will begin grilling. Okay? Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys, and to my 105 or more subscribers, thank you. God bless you. So guys, it's time to put the fresh chicken already spiced into the oven. We are going, it's already 15 minutes gone, and the remaining time here is for the grilling. So I'm going to put it in here and let it grill. Okay? So the first 30 minutes I'm going to come and flip it over, and then we give it another 30 minutes and see how it looks at that time. Okay? So stay tuned, don't go away. We are almost done, as you can see. Thank you. I'm going to be frying some plantain that we'll be using to eat the grilled chicken when it's done. I already have my salad in the fridge prepared. So stay tuned and you'll see the end result, which is going to be beautiful, I promise you guys. Okay. We can dance. Alright guys, it's about 30 minutes plus time spent. I'm gonna be opening this oven and then I'm gonna flip them over to see. Let's see how it is so far. First of all, let me get my look at that. So we're going to flip them over gently. We don't want to break them up or make a mess. So it looks like everything is we're almost ready. So we flip them over. How is that, guys? How does this look? Beautiful, right? Have like a very grand color. You can add baking powder to yours. I didn't do that to this one because I don't want baking powder in my chicken. So we are all done flipping. I'm gonna put it back and allow another 30 more minutes. So I'm going to increase the time. 30 minutes more and then we'll bring it out for the second sauce. Thank you. Hi guys. So I think at this time my chicken wings is ready and I'm going to bring it out for second saucing. After that I have my sauce already prepared and I made the sauce with some red pepper, some habanero pepper, onions, and I fried them together. The only thing that I added that was different from the usual frying is that I added some Suya spice to this. So this is very, very hot at the moment. So let's see. I'm going to be putting the chicken in this clean bowl and then mix them all together. Okay. There we go. Okay. Alright guys. Can you see how it looks? It looks good. Very, very good. So we're going to pick them one after the other. This is properly cooked. Properly cooked. Put them in the bowl. So we'll keep the tray because I'm going to put them back to this tray and then put back on into the oven. And this time I'm not going to be choosing bake. I'm going to be choosing broil instead of the bake. Yeah. We are getting there. So this is my sauce. Add the sauce. Now we are going to stir together. But meanwhile, you have to be very careful at this point, stirring everything together. Very careful not to break them up. Then you bring them out again and start lining up, just as we did earlier on. Okay, make sure everything is properly stirred. The sauce is into it. Broil, you have to pay close attention to it. That way it doesn't get burnt. Here now. I wonder how this paste came about. Okay guys, I'm going to be putting it back to the oven. This time, like I told you guys earlier on, I'm going to be choosing the broil instead of bake. So here, I'll go for the broil, and I'm going to go for low because I don't want it to get done. And then I'll choose. 5 minutes. Let's see how it is at 8 minutes. I'll put my exhaust on. Okay. Finally guys, I think at this point we are done. And I'm going to be bringing it out. So from here, I don't want it to burn. Right. Okay, we are done. You hear the crunchy sound. Guys, look at this. I can't wait. I think we are at the point where I love breast, and that is the eating part. This is the part I love. Okay. Easy to make. Guys, you can replicate this in your homes. the weekend, and while you are watching movies with your family, like diving into this. This is what we're going to be doing now. It's about movie time. We're going to be having some good time together as we munch into this. I'm already salivating, guys. I can't wait. So here we are. How is that? Thank you, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Leave me your comments at the comment section. The Winnie of Texas is really grateful. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Guys, I have some fresh grilled. Welcome to the Winnie of Texas YouTube channel. I'll be making some grilled chicken today, and I want you guys to come along with me in my kitchen. Let's bring out the chicken.